Real estate math, plug it in. Table of contents of my new book is the same as the old book. And the first page is the same also. 1.1 Taxation, Tax Paid. You have to memorize the question, and in your question you will see has paid the bill. There is the key. So you write down this formula on your scrap paper. First step, number of days, 30 times, there will be a blank there equal number of full months. And from January to the full month, you read your problem. It goes to November the 10th, but you do not include November because it isn't a full month. So you go from January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, which gives you 10 full months. Times your 30, the number of days in the month, gives you 300. Then you look at your closing date, which we add 10 days for your closing date. So 310 gives you 310 days. Then you have your second step. You memorize and you put that down on your scrap paper also. Cost per day. Tax bill divided by 360 times number of days. And if you look in your problem, you see your tax bill is 1,800. You would say 1,800 divided by 360 gives you $5 per day. So $5 times what you plug from your first part, 310, gives you 1,550. And in tax paid, you have two parts to it. You have to go back and find your tax bill, which we know is $1,800. You put that in for your tax bill, and then what you came out for this step minus 1,550 gives you $250. And then you make your cross, and you see that on the cross you have to know where the paid tax goes and the unpaid, and you write PU, and that gives you your notice of what where paid goes and where unpaid goes. PU, paid at top, U at the bottom, paid and unpaid. So you know it's paid, and you know the taxes are paid. So you would put your answer as 250, and you would plug credit seller and debit buyer, and the answer would be 250. But you would know both of them, it would be the same for both of them. Credit seller, debit buyer has to go with your 250 answer.